Friends, in today's video, we'll be going to discuss on how to file income tax appeal before Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Appeal against an order of Commissioner lies with the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. Who can file appeal before ITAT? Both taxpayer and the assessing officer can file appeal before the Appellate Tribunal. Several benches of the Appellate Tribunal, comprising judicial and accountant members, have been constituted all over India. What is the time limit for filing this appeal? Appeal is to be filed before the Appellate Tribunal within 60 days of the date on which order appealed against is communicated to the taxpayer or the commissioner, as the case may be. What is the form of appeal? An appeal to the ITAT is to be made in form number 36. Which is to be filed in triplicate and is to be accompanied by 2 copies of order appealed against, 2 copies of relevant order, 2 copies of grounds of appeal before the first appellate authority, that is, commissioner, and 2 copies of statement of facts, if any, filed before the said first appellate authority. Who has to sign form number 36? Form number 36 is to be signed by the individual taxpayer himself or by a person duly authorized by him holding valid power of attorney. In case of HUF, form is to be signed by the Karta, and in case of a company, the managing director, and in case of a firm, by the managing partner. Memorandum of cross objections. The taxpayer or the assessing officer, on receipt of notice that an appeal has been filed before the Appellate Tribunal against order of Commissioner by the other party can, within 30 days of receipt of notice, file a memorandum or cross objections in form number 36A. Language to be used in form number 36 or 36A. The appeal or cross objections before the ITAT are to be in English, except for states notified by the President of ITAT, where appeal can be in documents drawn up in Hindi also. With whom the appeal is to be filed? Normally, appeal is to be filed with the Assistant Registrar or the Superintendent, or Assistant Superintendent or Clerk in the ITAT. Procedure followed in the ITAT. Have a look. First is filing of paper book, and then hearing of the appeal, production of additional evidence before the tribunal, and the last is proceedings before the tribunal to be open to public. And the last, orders of the Appellate Tribunal. Normally, appeals are heard by a bench comprising 1 judicial member and 1 accountant member. Appeals where total income computed by the assessing officer does not exceed ₹5 lakh may be disposed of by single member bench. So friends, this was all about filing income tax appeal before ITAT. You can also subscribe to our channel to watch our next videos. Thank you.